Did you know that with a good photo and the right tools, you can create your own 3D printed figures in minutes? PrintAhead lets you create full-color sandstone statues at a reasonable low price. Let's see how it's done. Unlike other systems, you not only create your own figures, but also preview them, so there are no risks or surprises. As a first step, please visit printahead.net, a one-stop studio and store, and upload your photo. Your photo should be high resolution, well lit, and not have deep shadows, eyeglasses, or a turned head. Now you'll have a chance to preview the statue in 3D, rotating and zooming in to explore all the details. The next step is to customize the hairstyle and color, as well as shirt and patterns if needed. Your statue will update to reflect these changes. Optionally, you can add a stone pattern base or other add-ons. Choose between 3 different sizes. If you are happy with a 3D preview, you'll be able to place your order for it. If not, repeat the process with a different photo. Good luck with your PrintAhead project.